Hi, kamusta? I'm John Ray Magayes from the Philippines.
What's your major?
I hold a degree in electronics engineering and I'm currently completing my master's in engineering. My focus has always been on building end-to-end systems that turn raw data into business intelligence.
How long have you been working with global clients?
I've been working with global clients for nearly 6 years now, including clients in the US, UK, Singapore, and India. I've helped stakeholders turn scattered data into streamlined insights that drive performance across HR, finance, customer success, sales, and ops.
What's your job and how can you describe it to someone you just met?
As a data engineer, I built now and manage our company-wide data warehouse using BigQuery, integrated with Power BI for dashboarding. Today, 80 to 90% of all reports used by our leadership and clients rely on the system we develop. This infrastructure gives decision makers a single source of truth.
What is your greatest achievement in your current role?
I single-handedly designed a modular audit system to fix gaps in things like headcounts and employee record that help boost data integrity across teams and give stakeholders numbers that allow them to make strategic business decisions and optimize costs.
How do you bring value to your team?
I create the data backbone that helps teams move faster and decide smarter. My work removes guesswork so our stakeholders can focus on strategy and not troubleshooting spreadsheets.
What is your career aspirations?
I'm growing into a real-time data pipeline design and machine learning orchestration. My goal is to scale data operations that can support evolving client needs at speed, with precision, and at global standards.
What's your why?
I believe data is a company's operating system. Done right, it fuels growth, derives efficiency, and reduces risk. That's what I build. Systems that turn complexity into clarity.